Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick AI training video. I promised you one a week or so ago. I did do a couple AI videos. They are in the group here, Bill's Quiet Commission System. I'm going to, it's a little bit hard to find them, so I'm going to find a way. I'm going to put them in the featured section probably later on today, or I'm going to upload them to YouTube and just repost them for you here. So anyway. I did a couple, like I said, I think I used ChatGPT. I might have used Gemini, and I think I used Grok, Grok. But I didn't give you the Sora one. And so with Sora today, I'm going to show you how to create a longer video, like a 30 to 45-second video. And I only post maybe one or two of these every week. So you don't need to do that many of them. But what I did was I went over to ChatGPT and I already got started on this to make the video a little shorter. I just said, create 10 ideas for 30 to 45-second video shorts about the $35 bill killer side hustle and how it comes with the fast start auto inviter. Only invites, does not follow up. You have to do the follow up on your own. And how I show people to get started, how they can get up to 80 free leads just for trying out our two new lead sources, then give me the scripts for the videos. Okay, so it gives me the 10 ideas here with the scripts. So I can do these videos myself. I can record myself just saying this, right? I can use like there's a prompter app, a prompt app that I put on my phone, and it gives me a script right on the screen of the phone while I'm talking. If I can't remember what to say, so that's one option. Or we can turn these into videos using Sora, and so it's giving me 10 different ones here. So we're going to look at the first one here, which is the $35 test video. It says, what if you could test a legit side hustle for $35, blah, blah, blah. And you see here the body and the curiosity and all that. And then down below, I simply said, give me a Sora three-scene storyboard prompt for number one. Okay, now you can just create short videos with Sora, like the 6 to 10 second ones, but this is for the videos that are a little bit longer. These end up being like, you know, maybe 30. Some of them get cut down to 20, 25 seconds, but they're a little bit longer videos. Okay, and so I say, give me a Sora I can't talk today. 3 scene storyboard prompt for number one. Don't overcomplicate the prompt. Sometimes it just really overcomplicates things and Sora messes the video up. And make sure that Sora finishes the video and doesn't cut it off at the end. That's another thing that happens a lot. So it gives me a prompt here. Okay, you can see I have the prompt. I have scene one, scene two, and I have scene three, right? And then I have extra large text on the screen. It says hold the final frame for 2 seconds so the video ends naturally without cutting off. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to Sora. Let's see here. Okay, and we're going to select here. See how it says you could just, if you're just doing a regular video, you could just put that in here. This, I'm going to click the storyboard here. So let's see here. And then it's going to bring this up like this: scene one, scene two, scene three. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the prompt and I'm going to take scene one. And we're going to put it in here, and then we're going to create this video. So we're going to create the videos one by one, and I'm going to show you how to do that here in a second. So we're going to create that. Now that's going to take a while, so I have to pause this video because I don't want to leave it playing. Okay, so we have our first video here created, and hopefully I'm sharing the sound here. So let's see what this sounds like.
What if you could test a legit side hustle for just 35 bucks and it actually helped pay a bill?
Okay, so there's our first video. So now what we're going
What
to
if you
do
could
is
test a
we're going to
legit
click
side
the
hustle for
extend
just
button here. Let's just shut that off. We're going to click the extend button. Okay.
What if you could test a legit side hustle for just
And we're going to grab our second scene here. And again, and then we're going to put that down in here. Now, if there's something you don't like here, you can change it. You know, you kind of read it, cut to the man using the laptop. He looks more relaxed, confident while scrolling. $28. That's why I started using what I call the $35 bill killer side hustle. It pays $28 per month for the referral. And now even includes a fast start auto miner. So if there's any mistakes in there, just fix them. So now we're going to hit this again, and I'm going to pause the video while it creates that scene for us. Okay, so it looks like it's finishing up the second scene here. Let's wait a second here. So now let's click on this second scene to see it should play both scenes here.
what if you could test a legit side hustle for just 35 bucks and it actually helped pay a bill? That's why I started using what I call the $35 bill killer side hustle. It pays 28 bucks a month per referral, and now it even includes a fast start auto inviter that helps invite people for you.
Okay, so there's your first two. Now
What if you could
go back
test
to
a
this little
legit
button
side
over
hustle for
here,
just 35 bucks?
right, to get it back to here. If you didn't like one of these, then let's see here. You could click this select button and you could just like delete this one if you didn't like the way it was made. But I kind of like the way it was made. So now
What
I'm
if you could
going
test a
to
legit
just check out. I'm going to hit the extend button here again. And now I'm going to grab the third and final scene here.
What if you could test a legit side hustle for just 35 bucks?
So here's scene three. So I'm going to grab all of this here. I want to make sure it holds that final frame. And we're going to put that down here. And we're going to click that. And then again, it's going to take a while here. I'm going to click this button over here. And you can see it's working on the video. And I'm going to pause it again here till it's done. Okay, so we have all three here. So let's see what this looks like here.
Test a legit side hustle for just 35 bucks and it actually helped pay a bill? That's why I started using what I call the $35 bill killer side hustle. It pays 28 bucks a month per referral, and now it even includes a fast start auto inviter that helps invite people for you. And when someone gets started, I show them 2 new lead sources where you can get up to 80 free leads just for trying them out. If you'd at least take a look, comment bill below.
So if you see what happened there, it did
What
spell
if you
that
could
one word wrong. It spelled sources wrong. And so, you know, you could go back and you could do it again. I'm not gonna, you can like edit that, you know, get it to create that again. Like I said, you can, if that bothers you, then you can come here, select, you could click that, and then it'll let you delete it. And then you could try to create it again. And maybe in the prompt say, hey, make sure you spell sources correctly. You know, these are just little things that happen with these AI videos here. Um, if you hit that selected button, then you have to click that X up there so you could play it again. But anyway, we
what if you
got
could
it.
test a
So I
legit
kind of
side
like it.
hustle for just 35?
So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to post it to Sora. So, and I've been having trouble posting some of these because of what's in the caption here. But let's see what happens here when I click post. See, it's saying that the caption can't be used on Sora. So what happens is you have to go in here and edit this, and I don't know why, but let me just see if I'm gonna play around with this for a second. It doesn't like when you're asking people to comment below for some reasons. Now it hasn't changed the video. So even though you're changing the prompt there, it didn't change the actual video that you created. So it posted. Now, once it posts, what we want to do is you'll go to your profile little image over here to the right. And so you click on there, and then it'll show up down here in the posted section. So you want to click on it. It's the first video there. So here's our video. Now up here, now notice how it has this Sora watermark on it, right? So I'm going to show you how to remove that, okay? Because you don't want that on there. So, but you have to be able to post a video first. So we posted the video. Now we're going to go up here and we're going to copy the link here up in the browser for this video. And then we're going to go to a website here that's called Remove Sora Watermark Online. And then all we have to do is we just have to paste that into here. And we're just going to click Remove Watermark Now. Now notice how that's the posted link here. You have to have this sora.chatgpt.com/p/s and then all of this here. Now, if you don't have that P and that S, you have the wrong link. So we click on removing watermark. And so now, voila, that watermark has been removed. And now you can download the video here to your desktop. Right. And then, like I said, I like to just move this. I like to save these on my desktop. And then I just usually use the date that I made the video. 26, right? 3 scenes. So I know that that's a longer video. And I hit save. So now, when we play that video now, I gotta go to my desktop here and find it. Give me 1 second here because I got a bunch of stuff here. Let's just do this.
What if you could test a
Now
legit
you see
side
there's
hustle
no
for just
watermark.
35 bucks?
So we've
And it actually helped pay
effectively
a bill?
removed the watermark. So guys, this is
That's why I
how
started using what I
you
call the
use
$35
Sora,
bill killer side
right?
hustle. It pays 28 bucks a month per referral, and now it even includes a fast start auto inviter that helps invite people for you. And when someone gets started, I show
Now
them
see,
2
it
new lead
spelled this
sources where you can
wrong
get
here,
up to 80
sources.
free leads just for trying them out. If you'd at
I'm
least
not
take a
going to
look,
worry about that.
comment bill below.
But there it is. So that's how you use Sora. And then, of course, this website here is removesorawatermark.online, and that allows you to remove the watermark from Sora. Have a great day, guys. Any questions, drop them down below. If you're ready to get started with the $35 bill killer side hustle, just get with me and I'll send you the link. I'll be able to set up your links for you right away today. You'll be able to get started with the new Fast Start Auto Inviter today in the back office, and I'll also show you how to get the 80 free leads.